I'm going to show you how to move funds between wallets in Binance. So from wallet to exchange or vice versa. First, you want to open up Binance and your funds can initially be in different wallets. Usually the funding wallet is for deposits, P2P and transfers. The spot is for trading. The margin futures wallet is for leveraged trading. So all you need to do is click on the assets at the bottom right, which has the wallet icon, and then click on the overview at the top. Now all you need to do is click on the transfer button under your balance here, and you want to select from the actual wallet that you want to transfer from. So for example, Spot Wallet. You can click on it to specify which wallet, and they should tell you the balance in each wallet. You own any balance. You can also select the two. For example, I want to transfer from Spot to funding. I'm going to click on the two and choose funding. And then I'm going to choose the coin I want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, whatever coin. And then the amount. You can press max to transfer everything from Spot to funding or any other wallet. Or you can specify a specific amount, for example, $10, and then click on confirm trade and confirm again. And this should move funds instantly, and no blockchain transactions are going to be involved in this. And you're pretty much done. That's pretty much it for this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.